guys, what's up? We're at SeaWorld Orlando. We've been invited out for a special media reception for their Seven Seas Food Festival. The festival actually starts today, so let's go inside and see what yummy eats they have on offer. Hi guys, how's it going?
Welcome to Seven Seas!
Woo!
You guys ready for the food?
Yes, of course.
We are ready for all of it.
We made it ourselves.
Looks like they're pretty much good to go on the Seven Seas concert series. So on Saturday they got Kool and the Gang, and on Sunday they got Josh Turner. Looks like a good set. We're good to go. So as you see over on the left side here, they got the merchandise for the bands all set up, as well as over here, of course, you have your refreshments, and then they're probably gonna have some pretzels or churros. Also, if you don't know where you are, they got this big old map here with the location of all the booths and the names. So we have booth 23, that's the Mexican market. And here we got taco al pastor, Mexican street corn, dulce de leche mini cake. And you got your craft brews, you got Dos Equis, Modelo Espresso, frozen pitaya punch.
So I didn't put mine in there. Yeah, go ahead.
Booth number 22 is the Gulf Coast Market. So they have boudin balls, Cajun shrimp and grits, beignets. For the craft brews, we got Purple Haze. Specialty cocktail, we got a Hurricane. Booth 21, the beer garden, we have Mango Cart, Hanalei Island, Belle Island Blonde, Strawberry Kiwi Burst, Hazy Little Thing, Island Beats, and for your wine selection, the Stag Cabernet Sauvignon. Over at booth 20, the German market, we have bratwurst, chocolate covered pretzel, cinnamon sugar covered pretzel. For the brews, we have Hefe My Son, Riesling, German Blood Orange Mule, German Sparkling Strawberry Punch. Over at the Pretzel Kitchen, they got the Jumbo Salted Pretzel, Pepperoni Pretzel, and featuring 8 rotating draft beers. So the specialty drinks that they have are Key Lime Cider, High Stepper, You're My Boy Blue, Tropical Hefe, Hazy Wheat, Luminescence, Rollin' Dirty, Mako, A, Funky Ginger Kombucha Beer. Over at booth 18, the Waterway Bar, they have the Dead Guy Ale, Sunrise City, Maduro, Orange Blossom, Turbo Dog, Heineken, Wicked Hazy, Corona Premier, Midnight Espresso Coffee, Awake Coffee Blonde, Shock Top, High Lie, Penguin Pretzel, but told that's out of stock right now. They do have a Surfboard Pretzel, which is still okay with me. Specialty cocktails, we got frozen Jack and Coke, frozen Pina Colada, frozen margarita, and for your wine, Chardonnay. Booth 17 is the Asian market, so we have tempura battered sushi, deep fried dumplings, bingsu salted caramel ice cream, acai, zacatini lychee, tozai snow maiden, and elderflower mule. Booth 16 Indian market, we have chicken tiki masala, garlic naan, and chickpea curry, halabi. Craft brews, we got Kingfisher Premium. Specialty cocktails, we got mango mojito. Number 15 is the Mediterranean market, so we have Moroccan grilled lamb chop, walking gyros, baklava. For the wines, we have a rosé, a white wine, Mediterranean sangria for your cocktail. Booth 14, the Irish market. We have St. Patrick's Day nachos. You got potato chips, corned beef, cheese, and red cabbage. Bangers and mash, Jameson donuts. Craft brews, we got Guinness, of course, Strongbow Gold Apple, and your specialty cocktail is a Bailey's Cold Brew. Lucky 13, we have the mango margarita, jalapeno margarita, strawberry margarita, and watermelon margarita. Over at booth 12, we have the Italian wine tasting. So we have a sweet white, a sweet rosé, a Roscato smooth, and a tripe. Booth 11 is the Italian market. So we have a mini calzone, Palermo Fontina cheese meatballs, Italian cannoli, Va Bene, Gabbiano Pinot Grigio, Da Vinci Chianti, and Limoncello Spritz. Booth 10, we have sweet sips. So we have a Raz Dazzle cupcake, Coco Loco cupcake, and we got some boozy cupcakes. So those contain alcohol. We got Passionate cupcake, Orange Bliss cupcake, and for your wines, we got La Perlina, Strawberry Peach Moscato, Rose Envy, and a sweet red blend. Over at booth 9, Coaster Cocktails, we have Pipeline, Icebreaker, Mako, and Penguin Trek. Booth 8 is the North Atlantic Market, so we have the classic lobster roll, fish and chips, Boston cream pie. For our brews, we have the Liberty Lemonade. Specialty cocktail, we have Moose Juice. Booth 7, the Polynesian Market, so we have smoked lamb ribs, ahi tuna, poke nachos. For the craft brews, we have Big Wave, and for specialty cocktails, we have the Frozen Polynesian Summer. Booth 6 is the All American Market, so we have lobster mac and cheese, cannonball chicken wings, fried pickles. Craft brews, we have Veterans Pride, Yingling, and for the cocktails, we have Strawberry Whiskey Smash. Booth 5 is the French Market, so we have duck confit, escargot, mini creme brulee. For your wines, we have a sparkling wine and a red wine. Booth 4, they have a whiskey maple bacon cinnamon roll. For the wines, we have a sparkling peach moscato, sweet red blend. For your cocktails, they have a frozen Orlando Vice, frozen strawberry daiquiri, and a frozen pina colada.
Please let me know what it is.
So I just wanted to point out some of the sampling options you have here. You have a 15 item sampler for $85, 10 item sampler for $70. You have your past member exclusive, so you can get 3 bonus punches with the purchase of a 15 item sampling lanyard. Over at booth 3, we have Caribbean moonshine tasting. So we have Marmalade Mayhem, Cat 5 Coconut, Passion Fruit Prohibition, Banana Breeze, PB&C Cannonball. Booth 2 is going to be Smugglers. So for the craft beers over here, we have Cloud Chaser, Two Hearted IPA. Wines, we have Villadoro Moscato, Riesling. Specialty cocktails, we have Strawberry Lemon Glass. One at Flamecraft, and here's all the drinks you can get. And you know what time it is. It's time for the pink chicken status update, and it's a nighttime one, so yeah, looks like they're kind of winding down for the night. Alright guys, that's gonna do it from SeaWorld Orlando, where we got to preview the Seven Seas Food Festival. Gotta say, I love going to these things. My favorite thing tonight was probably the curry and the fried pickles that we did try. So yeah, the event's going on until May. You guys gotta come out and check it out. Also, the concerts are going on too. Ludacris, I gotta say, is one I'm definitely gonna be checking out. So other than that, you guys know we're gonna be back at the park, and yeah, follow us on our socials, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!